Okay, hello everyone. This is Elizabeth with theroadtomakingmoremoney.com. And in today's video, I just wanted to go over a little bit about Wealthy Affiliate. And what I want to do in the next couple of days and weeks is provide a new video that highlights a particular aspect or trait that Wealthy Affiliate has. So today we're going to talk about under the premium. This is all under the premium membership. So you can always go with the free membership at Wealthy Affiliate. There's plenty of stuff for you to learn, but my personal recommendation has always been to go premium because it's so worth the price, and you learn so much, and it really sets you up to succeed. If you're serious about making money online and building your business, then premium is the way to go. So that being said, let's just talk about what we're going to discuss in today's video, and that is going to be the weekly live interactive classes. As you can see, the starter account does not have that. The premium account, which I'm a member of, that's me right there, it does. You do get these live interactive classes. So what is it? It says each and every week we offer live class training from industry experts. Jay, the lead trainer in the live classes, is going to blow your mind and advance your skill sets on a weekly basis with insights into new and bleeding edge strategies. Okay, I personally love this this aspect of Wealthy Affiliate because every week I get to learn something new. And it usually touches on something that I'm either having a question about. It just happens to work that way. I'm not sure why. But let's go over and look at it. So where you're going to find this if you're a premium member is you're going to find it down on this side. Right here, live video classes. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to kind of show you what we got going on. I won't click on any of the videos, but so this upcoming one that's coming up tomorrow, on November 10th, 7 p.m., is going to be talking about using WooCommerce for affiliate links. Okay, I'm registered for that, so that ought to be a good one. And as you can see, here's some of the past videos, and you can go, the cool thing is you can go back through any of the past videos. You can search up here if you're searching for something in particular, a topic that maybe was covered, or you can just go back through. That's what I did one time. I had a lot of time on my hands and just decided to go back through a lot of the live training that I had missed. So here we've got 7 days an affiliate, a daily task breakdown. So kind of just running through what are the basic daily tasks and strategies that you need to be successful in online business. Okay, here's some practical things here. Changing a WordPress theme, real simple. A lot of people have problems with it. And Jay goes through the exact process to change your WordPress theme. Step-by-step YouTube live streaming. So this is a discussion about live streaming YouTube. And look, you can see we've got all of these. I'll scroll through down a little bit. Hosting your own webinars. These videos they're about an hour long, about 30 to 40 minutes of content. And then the remainder of that time is usually a live Q&A. So if you want to ask questions or you just want to listen in on what other people are asking, the Q&A sometimes helps me get a little more clarity on some of the topics. So that's how that works. Like I said, they're usually about an hour long. Using Google AdWords Express, creating goals in analytics. And it just goes on and on and on. And this is every week, guys. Every week he puts this out, and it's live. And I'll say this, as you can see, the replay available now. Okay, so I missed this one. I was out of town, didn't get to see it. And a lot of times that happens. But the good thing is you can just sit here and click watch this training now, and you can watch the recorded version. It's the same thing. You just can't interact live with by asking questions or anything. So that's a great feature. You don't miss out just because you had a family dinner on that particular night, or you were out of town. So that's super awesome. And let me just show you real quick. If you were to search for something, let's say I'm going to be getting into Facebook ads, and so I want to kind of know a little bit more about it. So I'm going to type up Facebook ads, and we're going to see what comes up in the live training. So September 2nd, 2016, there was one, Facebook ads, building a quality fan page. Here's another one. Here's one, boosting ads. So it looks like it was a 4-week, week 1, week 4, week 3, week 2, week 1. And sometimes that's what will happen. They'll be getting started with Facebook ads. I mean, you can see there's anything on here. Google Analytics. I know he's done a lot on Google Analytics, setting up, tracking goals in Google Analytics, tracking affiliate goals, creating goals, tracking social metrics in analytics. So you can go back and watch all of these, and it's been such a valuable tool for me over the years, just having this live training to go back on and watch and really learn and develop even more skills in the online world. So that's just the first one I want to talk about this week, which was the weekly live interactive classes. That alone is almost worth the price. I mean, I literally can't stress how much you get with a premium membership here at Wealthy Affiliate. Premium membership is only $49 a month, and you're basically getting a college education. This is, I mean, that's how much information you're going to get, and it's going to continue. You don't just finish the course and you're done. It's just continuous education. So in the next couple of videos, I'm going to be going down through all of this. We have plenty to talk about. So I'll be going through and touching on each one of these things and kind of giving you a little, showing you what's involved. And like I said, we got plenty to talk about. Like here we got the website platforms and what you get there, Site Speed, Site Protect, the WordPress, the hosting, and all of that. So we'll go through and talk about all that in the upcoming videos. In the meantime, if you want to go ahead and get started with a Wealthy Affiliate and start your learning process and start building your online business, there's a link in the description. And if you sign up with that link, you will actually be joining me. You'll be on my team. And so I will be there to help you the entire step of the way. You can ask me questions. You can ask the founders of Wealthy Affiliate, Kyle and Carson. You can ask them questions. You can ask anybody questions. But I will definitely be there to help you, hold your hand. If you ever come up with any issues or any questions along the way, you can definitely ask me. And if I don't know the answer, I guarantee you somebody within the community knows the answer. So we'll get you hooked up with the right person. So there you go. So click the link in the description if you want to get involved, and I hope to see you there. I'll see you in the next video.